Okay. The rest of the group has gone off walking through the woods that way along the creek. That way. On this side of the creek. And I've decided this is gorgeous. And I'm going to go for a walk on my own. So let's go this way. It is getting dark. We are pretty 6 miles into the forest on a maintenance road of some kind. And there's a primitive, just one single primitive camping spot out here. So, in the Allegheny National Forest in the state of Pennsylvania. So, this is the time of night that we believe Bigfoot likes to come out and play. So if I go for a walk by myself, maybe see if we have any luck encountering anything. I don't know if this is a logging road or a minimum maintenance road, but we drove about 6 miles in on it. And there's nothing out here except forest and logging, and there's logging areas. But it's a Sunday. It's actually Father's Day, so happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there. Heard something. The reason why I'm walking on the road is because the guide that recommended us coming out here said that the rattlesnakes are thick out here, and I don't have any snake boots right now, so I am walking on the road, but it's thick forest all around. There's no houses or anything out here, no people. Oh, hello. Yeah, startle things, I guess. It's quite the interesting little area in there, isn't it? Having a look around. Alright, I can't even see in there. Let me get my flashlight out. One of them anyway. I think that's my white flashlight. I have 3 flashlights in here. Looking for one in particular. Lightning bugs are coming out. Not the one. Nope. Alright, this is my red flashlight. Alright. If I just point stuff over there and if I don't look, maybe something will come out. What do you think? Is that a good idea? Is that a good idea? Oops. Sorry, guys. Trying to get it set up right here. All right. So seriously, I mean, we're so deep out here. I don't think it's even necessary to walk off the road because I'm alone. I'm a woman. I mean, if there was Bigfoot out here, they're going to know I'm here regardless, right? They'd probably come in and have a look at me. Why wouldn't they? I'm not threatening. I'm not dangerous. Alright, I'm not gonna lie, it's kind of creepy out here. I'm really unfamiliar with, never been down this way before. Didn't drive in this way. You can see how the trees are like even hovering over the road. These are really, really big trees. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little creeped out. I'm not sure how far I want to go. This is creepier than my previous walks and in the dark. And it's getting darker by the second, right? So yeah, I think I'm going to turn around. I'm not feeling as brave today in this woods for whatever reason. And then I hear movement in the grass, and I'm like, get away from the grass. It might be a snake. Right? So a lot of times when the group is together, I often like to go out and do my little night hikes by myself. You know? Oh, yeah. The bugs are out here. But so are the lightning bugs. And I gotta love that, right? Here, footy footy, as Tammy would say. Bugs keep trying to fly up my nose. Does that ever happen to you guys? With the bugs? Going this way, it doesn't seem as dark because the sun is going that way. So and as you can tell, I'm making lots of noise, so I'm not going to startle any bears, or you just don't want to startle a bear. That's been my experience. Bullis Hollow Trail. So that's a trail? Where? Really? It's overgrown. That is for sure. If that is a trail, it's overgrown. Now, in Minnesota, South Dakota especially, I've heard from a lot of native people that Bigfoot really likes to hang out in hollows. So, there you go. we might be in a good spot here. Because I didn't know where we were coming to, I wasn't able to remote view this area before we came here. I have no idea where we are. We followed a local guy out here. So I have no idea where we are. Approaching this little creek or river again. When I was sitting there earlier tonight, just sitting quiet by the campfire area. There's no fire going though. I thought I heard something very large walking through the water over here, but it was not in an area that I could see. So that would be interesting, wouldn't it? So the reason we use red lights is because Randy in Minnesota by Black Duck, he was very adamant about using only red lights on his property when we were looking for Bigfoot because it doesn't disturb the animals so much. And I found that that's true. Came upon a herd of deer and they were completely unbothered by us. Completely unbothered. So it's true. So I've been using red lights since then. Thank you to Randy. Isn't that pretty? Well, that completes our solo night hike here in the Allegheny National Forest. I'm kind of a chicken tonight, guys. I'm sorry. I'm not usually a scaredy cat, but I don't know. I was just creeped out back there, and that's okay. Gotta follow my gut instinct, right? Right. There's all the cars. There's my car. There's Chad's car, and then the other guy that we followed in here, who was a local. So, back at the campsite here. And I left Sherry there. That's Sherry right there. Let's go see what she's doing. Hi, Sherry.
Oh, hi.
Anything happen while I was gone?
Mosquitoes.
Mosquitoes? Are they squatchy mosquitoes?
Yeah, so big.
They are.
Big feet.
All right. Well, here we are back at camp. So this is not where we are camping. It's just a primitive campsite that we found here. So parked at and away we go. So thanks for watching.